Okay, so what happens is that while doing our research or while studying through PDFs in this online system, uh, us students get often get confused after seeing that whole text in the form of a PDF. So what we could do is just go on to the PDF. Like for instance, I have mine open. What we could do is that we could select the paragraph that you have to read for the assignment or quiz, and then left click and read out loud selection. So what it's going to do is it's going to read out the whole text to you, and it is easier for you to understand what the whole text is saying, because when you listen to things you can easily understand it, but when you
Response
read it
classes. We
you
can
have
also
to be
use multinomial logistic.
so you have to be quite careful while reading everything out loud. So it's better to have this option open for you people so that you can easily go through your text without even reading it. You can easily put on your earphones and listen to the whole book and take notes on the way.
Logistic regression from section 4.
Please do like and share my videos and do subscribe my YouTube channel in order to get more informative videos like these.